how to make your photo look stunning with Remaster on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Gallery App. Now here click on Folder. So after click on Folder, click on Picture. So after click on Picture, click on this three dot icon and click on Details. So after click on Details, so you will see click on this Remaster. So after click on Remaster, you will see after before is here. So you will see before picture is here. So after, so if you want to save, so click on save. You will see a picture is here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can make your photo look stunning with Remaster on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.